My name's Ben Harvey. I am the founder of Ben's Automotive Decor, and we turn car parts into furniture and artwork. So our goal is to help car enthusiasts display their love for their passion with cars in their homes, in their offices and their garages. So we use entirely real engines. We take them all down and strip them down and clean them up and paint them nice and do all kinds of crazy things. The Small Business Development Center has really been instrumental in many key areas. We've been helped the most in our marketing department. Kristen has been our lead on that, so she's been very helpful. We've met weekly, and it's been huge. They helped us build a really good business plan with like an Excel spreadsheet, a forecasting plan. We've tripled our website traffic through our marketing efforts, so that's definitely a measurable metric that's gone up. Opening up the new gallery, I don't think we'd be here in the new spot without the SBDC's help, so those are two major business.